It's time to find the top 5 pre-sales for the day. Pre-sales that are ending in just a few hours, some of which within the day, some of which in 5 hours, some of which in 24 hours. So if you want to learn about the newest pre-sales and get successful pre-sales, hopefully like ones on the leaderboards like Dracula, Money Code, Zuki, Fakecoin, and Philosopher, Mini Doge. Just stay tuned. Subscribe if you want to see videos just like this. Slap the like button. This video is no financial advice. I'll have links for all the pre-sales in the description down below. All you gotta do is check them out. I encourage you to do some due diligence as well. So we'll pretty much go over all the pre-sales for the day, and I'll tell you some of my opinions on some of them. So first I want to start with Zoomer, and Zoomer is a token that it's a fair lunch sale. You can see it ends in 5 hours, 34 BNB out of 1. There's some good and there's some bad stuff. It's basically a meme coin. They want 1000x, so on and so on. But the thing is, the website looks really bad. Look at this. This is the contract. This is supply ticker Zoomer. They don't really have any roadmap. It's just a hit or miss. Everyone that's buying is trying to get a quick X and get out because there's no roadmap, there's no events happening. They have quite a few people on their Telegram. I'll go ahead and open it up right now to see if, how active it is. Let me see. Oh, so here it is, PINKSALE community marketing stop. Check DM when lunch, check DM please. So these are influencers that are trying to get some bread out of the project. Check DM, check DM. Let's go, let's go. You can see that there are some people talking about it, but it's nothing serious. Here is another project that I actually like, and it's probably my top 1 project right now, and it's actually Get Betrayed Fair Lunch. The pre-sale ends in 1 day, 10 hours, 15 minutes. Hopefully you can get in time with it. I'll make sure that the video is uploaded within an hour. Initial market cap 46 grand, and the good thing about this project is that it has an audit and KYC. It has an actual utility as well. So let's go through the audit, the KYC, and the website first. And again, this is probably my number 1 project for today. Home, why betrayalonomics, roadmaps, white paper. First, everything looks really, really good. Scroll down, here it is. It kind of looks like a comics. Home, why betrayalonomics, roadmaps, here it is. Here it is, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Here it is, the lunch. I think that's broken. So let's go to the white paper real quick. We want to read it. Wow, everything is very well done. So it's a meme token, draws inspiration from all the times investors have been lured by fake projects. So betrayed, including but not limited to this, the disclaimer. Values is a scam on a scam developer, deem vows for transparency from the beginning of and during the project. What? On a scam. Yeah, so the whole idea is basically like a comics. So you have a scam developers, yeah, and they want to build. I think that's really cool. What roadmap can they have to have people connected to stay for a long-term time? So website establishment, white paper, wow. They make the bait, the lure, the trap. This is really good. The trap partnerships with exchanges. Yeah, that's not that important. More partnerships. So just partnerships, which is not that good. But they'll have a lot of marketing. In terms of the audit, you have 2 issues. All are low risk. We'll go to the GitHub. But basically, the you have it's an Ethereum project, so a little bit more fees. That's not that good, but it's not an issue. Anyway, come on, join with us. So yeah, this is basically my top pick for the day right now. And when we go on their Telegram, we can see that it's I'm feeling bullish. Yeah, but basically it's pretty active. Yeah, definitely pretty active. Let's go to their Twitter. I want to see how active their Twitter is. And 745 followers, so didn't try to by followers. It seems kind of active. The views are okay in terms of the engagement. So yes, for right now, number 1, Get Betrayed. Number 5, Zoomer. Let's go over a few other ones that are ending really soon. And the first one that's getting some hype right now is Baby Doge. I don't know why, but these 2.0, 3.0 tokens, they're like 100% always losing money in the end. Like 60 days after the launch, a ripple. If you can short this, but the thing is, after pre-sales, a lot of these get you some ROI. So it's not too worse of not that bad of an idea to buy some Baby Doge if you understand or any 2.0 projects. I talked about someone in the past, some worked really well at the beginning phases, right? Because the liquidity is not long for a long time. You can see the liquidity locked up period is 90 days. So after 90 days, I think this is the max time span. I would divide this or have 66% of this as my goal. So after 60 days, I think this will be gone. Gonzo, absolutely gonzo. So have the links for that in the description down below. They have their website right here, which we'll check real quick. And Baby Doge 2.0, if you like Baby Doge, then you will fall in love with it. Are you ready to dive in the world of cryptocurrency, tokenomics? Here it is. Burn 50%, 0% tax, which is very good for scalping. They have a buy and burn mechanism. They don't really have that much disclaimers. They don't have a privacy statement and so on. So they don't plan on being KYC'd and stuff like that because they can get lawsuits for not having the privacy statements, allegedly. What else can we see that's interesting for Baby Doge? On their Telegram, I can see that it is so and so active. There are some memes, there are some stuff, but nothing. I mean, I would say it's active. Actually, I would say it's active. So it might be a good idea to check it out. Plus, they have the audits. You can have some issues. I would, right now, we'll have Zoomer at 5 and Baby Doge at, yeah, it's definitely, first would be Get Betrayed. Then we'll have Baby Doge and now Zoomer. And the next one that I wanted to show you was a Floki project. And right now, today, we have spin-offs of famous meme coins for some reason on Tuesday. This is what's working. And this project, the pre-sale ends in 2 days and it has 6 Ethereum already committed, which is around $12,000, which is really good for a launch that's happening in a few days, in 2 days. I'll have a link for that in the description down below. Pepe Doge Floki, this is better than 1. 3 is better than 1. Previous project did 90 mil plus marketers from Doge, 1 Mars and other projects. Yeah, this is definitely something I would probably buy into a little bit. Like 400, look at this, liquidity lockup time 400 days. Yeah, this is something that I'll probably buy. This is my number 1 project right now. So we can go ahead and yeah, they have the KYC, they have the audit. So this is my number 1 project for sure. There's no other opinion. And then I want to talk about a blue color project that had a 50 BNB cap. It has 100 committed already, which is a very fair amount. This is a very serious project in terms of the time frame we are at right now. It has over a day until the pre-sale ends. It already has 100 BNB committed, 368 days lockup period. So that's a very, very cool project. It is a gaming play to earn game. If there's a play to earn game, it's probably going to go on my list. By the way, if you have any projects that you want me to cover or think will be a good pick, let me know in the comment section down below. Especially if they're play to earn games, I will probably cover them. Racesurf is a metaverse in a car racing game built on Binate Smart Chain Network. By the way, they have a lot of games just like this have been circling around, but pretty much you have the real metaverse racing. Here it is, gameplay, Metaverse, Race, Synchronous, you'll probably have a marketplace, earn money by using the lands. So you have land, you have a docs team, look at this, LinkedIn profiles, yeah, that's a serious project. So it's probably, this is a tough one because this project is really good, Pepe Doge is really good, and Get Betrayed. I'll probably have Pepe Doge as number 1, number 2 would be Race Earth, number 3 Get Betrayed, number 4 would be Baby Doge and Zoomer. This is how I'll rank them today. Let me know if you have any other opinion in the comment section below. All questions will be answered there. Love you guys and girls. See you next one. Bye.